Postcolonial criticism is a type of literary and cultural analysis that explores the effects of colonialism on cultures and societies. It looks at how literature, media, and historical narratives reflect and respond to the legacy of colonial rule. Here are the key aspects. First one, colonialism and imperialism. And that the first pointer examines how European powers dominated and exploited non European regions. Second one analyzes how the domination affected native cultures and languages and identities. Second is hybridity, coined by Homi K. Bhabha. It refers to the mixed identity and emerges when colonial and native cultures interact. Third one is othering, the process of portraying colonized people as fundamentally different, inferior, or exotic. Then we have subaltern, a term popularized by Gayatri Spivak, refers to marginalized groups who have little access to power or voice in dominant systems. Then we have mimicry, describes how colonized subjects imitate the colonizer's culture, often with ambivalence, which can lead to both compliance and resistance. Now we have resistance and decolonization that focuses on how colonized people resisted oppression and how post independence societies tried to reclaim their identities. Let us now see the key figures. First is Edward Said, who came up with the book Orientalism, which analyzes how the West constructed an image of the East as exotic and backward. Then we have Homi K. Bhabha, who has written the book The Location of Culture. It was written in 1994. It introduced concepts like hybridity, mimicry, and ambivalence. Now we have Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak, who has written Can Subaltern Speak? This questions whether marginalized voices can be truly represented in dominant discourse. Then we have French Fanon, who has written The Wretched of the Earth, which focuses on the psychological effects of colonization and the need for violent resistance. Let us now see what post-colonial criticism in literature is. Actually, critics analyze how writers from formerly colonized countries address the trauma of colonization, culture identity, the clash between traditional and Western values, language politics, power structures, and race. Some examples of post-colonial literature are Things Fall Apart by Chinua Achebe, a Nigerian writer. Then we have Midnight's Children by Salman Rushdie, an Indian writer. Then White Sargasso Sea by J.N. Reyes from the Caribbean. And the last one, Nervous Conditions by Titsi Dangarmbach.